Like every human being on the planet, I also try to wake up early, but that rarely happens. I check my social media while I'm doing my morning business, Yeah, I think you got that. Once upon a time, a great man or woman said that we get our crazy ideas or good ideas while we are in the bathroom. Then after brushing teeth, I go for bath. Whom I am kidding. If I am living alone, then I don't bath in the morning. My mother's gonna kill me if she watches this video. I also like to cook my own breakfast. That's because I am not living at my home. Bread omelette and black coffee is my favorite, and for those who add sugar in coffee, there's something wrong. Well, doctor always suggests that we should not watch TV while eating. It's not healthy. We tend to eat more than what we need. I'm like, come on, if I made only one omelette, then how can I eat more than what is there available to eat? After having must-swallow breakfast, I like to go through my YouTube videos, emails, my blogs, which I'm trying to write frequently. There is a link in description box below if anyone likes to read. When my office work starts, I usually visit Jira to check which tasks I have assigned. First couple of hours always goes into discussion, meetings, stand-ups, which I think are really important to plan the whole day. When I get to know my tasks, first thing what I do, well, every mobile developer or anyone who is related to coding job should do is get to know what are the requirements. Do you have every single information about the task? Ask yourself a question, what are the things I need to do in order to complete this task? Then only start to work on the task. This is what I have learned in my current company, and I am really grateful for that. I always divide my task in small checklists and try to complete each one by one. I always try to work couple of hours straight so I can complete most of my tasks. If I don't know how can I complete this task, I usually do a Google search. There is no shame in Google search. No one knows every single line or every single thing. I work on front-end part of mobile app development. Front-end means the part which user sees. So I need to check how the app is feeling, the UI is correct or not, according to the given design. That's why I carry an Android device with me. With all the pandemics and everything, I'm not going out for a coffee or snacks in a cafe. So here is some funny thing which I used to do before Corona. If I'm sitting in a cafe, I used to open my MacBook and I used to just run a command in my terminal. People used to think that I am some kind of hacker or something. That's just crazy. Around 2 to 3 PM, I get off from my work to have lunch for my tummy. I don't cook my own lunch, I'm not that hardworking. As it comes to the end of the day, I push all my changes to GitHub. If there is some PR to review, I review them, and after completing my task, I push a closing update to the Slack. I always stay around for half an hour after pushing a closing update. It's important because there can be a case that your manager or your senior wants to know something about your task, or maybe want to talk about some feature in the app. After closing my day, I always go through YouTube. I like to watch tech videos or any recipe types of videos. बस इतना ही, इससे आगे का next time. So this is how a mobile app developer days go by. If you guys like the video, please don't forget to hit that like button, and also if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thank you guys for watching the video. A peace.